What's going on, guys? Welcome to a new episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of May 9th, 2025. This is where we go through the newsletter with y'all, show y'all in person what each item is looking like. And without further ado, let's get into the newsletter.
We've got a big old sale on a group called Morning Blooms from Wilmington. We've got the 5-inch squares, originally priced at $13.96, on sale for $7.56. We have the 10-inch squares and the 2.5-inch strips, both originally $48.96, on sale for $29.96. And finally, we have the hopscotch kit, originally $104.96, on sale for $66.96. Plus, we have all of the remaining Morning Blooms yardage on sale for $9.96. So make sure to catch these deals on Morning Blooms before they flutter away.
First collection we have to talk about today is the Cowboy Blues from Northcott. This is featuring some 10-inch squares, patterns, the Trip Around the Rodeo quilt kits, country swing quilt kits, and the full collection of yardage. The patterns for this collection are, as you could assume, cowboys, boots, buckles, cowboy sayings, horseshoes, checks, stars, and a denim texture in colors of red, blue, and cream. So make sure to settle up with Cowboy Blues from Northcott.
Get ready, because it's almost Memorial Day, also almost July the 4th, and here we have Star Spangled from Moda. This is featuring layer cakes, charm packs, mini charm packs, jelly rolls, fat quarter bundles, patterns, the All-American quilt kits, as well as the Frontier boxed quilt kits, as well as the full collection of yardage. We have patterns of florals, stars, stripes, bandanas, checks and plaids, and dots, in colors of, you guessed it, red, white, and blue. So make sure to light up your July 4th or Memorial Day with Star Spangled.
Next collection we have for y'all is a flannel collection from Riley Blake. It is the Designer Flannel Spring 2025 collection. This is featuring a fat quarter bundle and some assorted yardage. The patterns for this collection are all over the place, but just to feature some, there's lambs, dogs, horses, horseshoes, and paisleys, in colors of blue, pink, green, red, white, gray, and brown. Make sure to cuddle up with Designer Flannel from Riley Blake.
Once again, we've got another perfect collection for the upcoming Memorial Day holiday. We have Backyard Barbecue from Clothworks. This is featuring the Jubilee quilt kits, some 24-inch panels, some 45-inch canvas apron and mitts panels, as well as the assorted yardage. In this collection, we have food, pigs, barbecue words, chicken plaids, and barn board textures. We've got some guy in the parking lot doing donuts or something.
No
making
respect.
No respect. Making a lot of noise. In this collection, we have patterns of food, pigs, barbecue words, chicken plaids, and barn board textures in colors of red, blue, brown, yellow, black, and khaki. So make sure to light up your grill with Backyard Barbecue from Clothworks.
Next item we want to talk about is a bundle that we currently have on sale for y'all. Is the Glacial Pearl Bundles from Blank. This is a fat quarter bundle featuring 16 fat quarter pieces. The original price of this is $59.96, but we have it on sale for y'all at $36.96. So make your project shine for less with Glacial Pearl Bundles. And as you can see, we have it behind us.
Hey, we've got a hot pre-order for you guys, and this is ironic because it's a very cold kit. We have the Snow Crystal quilt kits featuring floral grid batiks from Riley Blake. These kits are scheduled to ship in December, January, and they are $137.96. So don't get left out in the cold. Make sure to pre-order the Snow Crystal kit before they thaw.
Next thing we want to talk about is something we mentioned last week, but we're going to mention again because everyone's loving this so much. It is the 1-yard cuts. These are new and available every single day. There's different ones all the time. They're pre-cut and ready to ship 1-yard cuts, so they're individually 1-yard pieces. They are $9.96 a piece. These are, like I said, featuring a variety of different pieces from different collections. Each unit is a pre-cut piece. Multiple units will not be continuous. So make sure to buzz on over to our website and check out the 1-yard cuts. See what you can find.
Next, we have the comment of the week. This is where we read a comment from last week's episode to read on this week's show. And this week we have Melissa Fieldhouse 4424. And she says, great video, lots of good fabric at great prices. Looking forward to getting the Explorer bundle. Melissa, we just wanted to say thank you for being a loyal customer, a loyal viewer. Thank you for leaving this comment. We're very excited that you're excited about our fabrics and that you're looking forward to getting the Explore bundle. And make sure to leave a comment. You might be featured for next week's episode.
As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and even ring that bell for notifications so you get notified every single time we upload. Also, make sure to leave a comment like Justin was saying. Maybe you'll be featured in next week's comment of the week. Also, follow us on all of our social media. The links are down in the description. Without further ado, though, we will see y'all next week for another episode of Friday Fabric Finds. Goodbye.